Do you want to know how you can verify or check your promo code using 1xBet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your promo code or verify it. Go ahead and open 1xBet.com in any of your browser and log into your account. Then click on My Account, which you can see on the top right hand side. After you click on My Account, this page will load up where you can see on the left hand side there will be promo codes and offers option. You must go ahead and click on this option called bonuses and gifts. So after you click on this option, the bonus option will show to your screen and then you can check your promo code quite easily. So if you scroll a bit down, you can see that your promo code can be entered here. So go ahead and write down your promo code, and if it is valid, go ahead and click OK, and you can see that the promo code has not been found. So make sure your promo code is correct, otherwise this option will be shown. Go ahead and write down your correct promo code, click OK, and you can verify or check your promo code and accept the bonuses and gifts sent to you by your friends. So guys, this is how you verify or check your promo code on 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.